No way, it's the same team.
It is. Oh my god.
Damn, they've been going for a while.
I'm at the boxes.
Sets might be better. Actually, if that mage. This come. Hey, open on me down low. The druid did.
I'm lining this.
Maimed. It's lost. I'm
I'm
trying
lining
to.
double. I get
They
you. I get
cast
you.
it in a clone.
Okay.
Touch priest. Hitting mage for a second. Poly.
Yep. I saw clone.
I'm trinketing here.
I'm deep.
Small sack you.
I'm trying to get this mage.
I
Druid.
tried to get that.
I got a miss on the druid.
I got sheeped. Back at boxes.
I'm cloned here. I can't get you.
I'm just thinking of sitting.
He blinked into us. It's huge.
Is it clone?
I want to blade here. He's really holding his block. Okay, stop calling. Fuck. I'll sit this. I'm gonna go back mage.
Bash too.
Maybe he
Full
blinks.
poly. Full poly.
Cloned. Or deep, sorry. I'm gonna clone.
I'm
I
calling
lost
full.
my plea, so
I'll
I'll big
reflect
big sack.
again.
Big sack. Big sack.
Okay.
He's burning me actually.
I miss on the druid.
I'll give you freedom there.
I'll tag you.
Spamming burn on me.
Oh, you had
I have
priest.
plea now.
Full poly. I'm gonna trinket this poly.
I'm bad.
I have bubbles still.
Yeah.
I'm kind of sending this priest, man.
I'm counterspelled.
I'm gonna fear mage.
I'm bashed.
Sounds
Can you go
priest.
priest?
Calling full.
I bubble.
Nice. Wow.